So this is Dr. Ann Merkel, and on behalf of BRBA, I'd like to interview today Sandy Diebel with the new Bridgehouse interiors. I know that some of you have already visited Bridgehouse complex, the new buildings in Blue Ridge. But not only are they beautiful buildings, but we've got a beautiful new company in here. And Sandy, you want to tell us a little bit about your company, the interiors company?
Absolutely. It's my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me to interview with you today and tell our story. I am an interior designer and I'm actually from Marietta, Georgia, but have always loved Blue Ridge. And a few years ago, decided I needed to expand my business a little bit and try something new. And retail has always been a passion. Putting together a showroom, just as my tagline says, I love beautiful things, and I know a lot of other people do as well. So I started looking for a great location for the retail store. And it took a bit to end up in Blue Ridge, but finally this past summer, this brand new building was being built. I was here visiting with some girlfriends and walked by and said, wow, I love that space. I think it could be perfect for what I have in mind. And so one thing led to another. I have a wonderful landlord and he worked with me and we worked really hard to get the store built out and open just in time for the holidays this year.
Perfect. That's great. Well, we love having new members and new entrepreneurs in Blue Ridge, because that's what I love about BRBA, the business association is, we're all business owners. And so there's something there, we're all gamblers and we all stick together to support each other. So tell us what makes you unique in what you, offer to not only the public, but to other BRBA members.
Well, I think from a public perspective, I'd like everyone to think that Bridgehouse is a destination. And we have so many tourists and that come here to Blue Ridge on a daily basis. So when they're walking through and walking by and stopping in, I sure hope that they will take away something from this store. So I have a lot of small items, gift items, things that will fit in a bag, in a car, on an airplane, and some unique items that aren't anywhere else in Blue Ridge. So that's for the tourists. And then I hope that the local people also view this as a place to come when they're really looking to fill out some things for their home. If they are building a new home, doing an addition, wanting to refresh, we've got a whole design team to back us up to help people with larger projects also.
Great. And you actually go into people's homes or their remodels or their new builds to help them from the ground up, kind of.
Absolutely. Bridgehouse Interiors and my team, we're involved with Old Toccoa Farms, very gratefully so. And hopefully we'll be doing a lot of work in the golf course development. In others as well. So every day that I'm up here, it's a great day because people come in the door and I spend a lot of time just chatting with folks about their projects. And trying to find out what they need and how we might be able to help them.
Good. I've got some projects going on too. I might need to call you in.
Don't we all? Especially during the time of COVID when we've all been stuck in our homes.
Yeah. It's time to purge and remake this thing.
And refresh, that's right.
Right. So at this point, what do you offer to like other BRBA members, and what can the BRBA members offer to you back? How can we best support you?
Well, as a new business, my primary objective is just to get the word out. I want everybody to know that we're here. And so I guess my primary objective is passing that information and getting it out there in the public. So, because I know I would do the same thing. If someone comes in here, I would like, oh, you need to go downtown. You might enjoy this store. You might need to go get a sweet treat or whatever it is. And so I would hope that the business owners would think of me and Bridgehouse in the same way and refer people up the street. Because we're in a bit of a location right now that's off the main street, and a lot of people don't know we're here yet.
Right.
So I think getting the word out is great. And we just recently launched a campaign. I've got really nice postcards that Lisa and my staff have been actually going door to door and taking to the businesses all up and down Main Street that offers a small discount. So if owners have that card, they can come in here and shop. And
Okay.
that's what we're doing for starters, but
Okay.
I guess more involvement in the organization will certainly help, us get to know the rest of the members and they get to know us.
Okay. And do you have a rack card display thing in your store that our members can bring their discount codes and things like that to you?
I don't have an actual rack yet. It's something we're kind of playing around with, but yes, absolutely.
Okay.
We don't have the postcards just there for the general public to pick up. I'm just offering those to actual business owners.
Right.
And as a courtesy and as a welcome.
Good. All right. Great. Well, is there anything else you'd like to say to people about your business or how you'd like to be more active in Blue Ridge?
Well, we love special events. Just as a personal passion.
Sign her up.
I know. Well, okay, now watch out. Right. So the list of events, that this organization does is great. And I know a good support to the community. So anytime there's an event, I hope and encourage you to come to us. And if we can help, we will definitely be a part of it.
Great.
We love a good party.
Good. Well, Sandy, I'm going off here. So thank you for letting me interview you. Thanks for the time. And I hope you have a great afternoon.
You too, Anne. Thank you so very much.
Okay.
All right. Bye now.